Okay, here's another thing I did. My truck is an SR model, so it's a bare bones. I bought the bed light kit off of Amazon, and I installed those. These are real easy to install. Comes with the extra little harness that you need. And see if I can get this to show. But you're going to have to remove the tail light. You're going to have to remove this top bolt and the bottom bolt. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the tail light and pull it straight out towards you, straight back. If you try and twist it, you're going to break off a tab. So straight back. The top is probably going to pop off first, and then the bottom. That'll give you a little bit more grip. Just pop that off, lay your tail light over to the side. Inside there is a wiring harness that's into a dead plug. Just pull it out of the dead plug, plug in your new harness, and you're going to have to fish it through a hole, which is real easy to do. Just plug it in. These just snap in, and that back part is done. Put your tail light back in, push it in, put the two screws back in, and you're done there. Now, because I have the SR model, I did not have this switch. This is a Toyota switch here. I ordered that online from a Toyota dealer. Got that, and this panel right here pops off. Just get you a plastic trim removal tool and just work it up under there. Just get the two corners started, then go down this corner and then that one, and it'll pop right off, no problem. So you don't have to pull the whole dash apart. I've seen people tear the whole dash apart just to install this. This little insert pops out. Once that's popped out, right behind it, right down in here, underneath this switch, is the harness plugged into a dead plug again. Just pull that out. This switch slides in from the back onto this plate and locks in. It's real easy. Just plug in your harness into the back of this switch, take this entire assembly, pop it back in place, and you're done. Real simple. So that's all it takes. I turn the bed lights on now. There you can see the right side. There's the left. And now you have light inside the rear of the bed. There's the left one. There's the right one. And it's probably not showing up as well on camera, but I can see into the bed just fine. It really lights it up just, enough for you to see what you're doing, and they work nicely. Now you can set this switch to turn those lights on, which is what I have it over to now, or you can set it to door, so when you open the door, those lights come on, or you can turn it off. I just leave it off.